Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm taking you along with me to HomeGoods so I can share with you what to look for at HomeGoods and what to avoid to get that designer look in your home. HomeGoods has so many good options when it comes to affordable decor, so it's all about finding the right pieces in the store. So I hope this video gives you some ideas on what you should look for next time you're shopping at HomeGoods. If you enjoyed watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and head to the store.
Let's start over here in the rug section. This is one of my favorite places to look for rugs because they have really great brands and it gives you an opportunity to feel each rug and get an idea of what the good quality rugs are versus the cheaper rugs. I'm always looking for the hand-woven wool rugs as opposed to the power loom synthetic rugs. You're going to get a lot more longevity and a designer look with the hand-woven rugs. I would stay away from any of these rolled up rugs and look at what's hanging and look on the price tag for that hand-woven label. It's going to give you a designer look and they have such great prices in here. Let's check out the side table section. This is one of my favorite areas to look for accent pieces. I think one mistake people make is choosing a laptop table like this as their accent side table. I don't think this gives you a very high-end look. I know it can be functional for some people, but if you're looking for a small table, go for something that has a small size but a really dynamic look. I think a side table should add a lot of style into your space. It really gives you that opportunity to add that decorative touch into your space. As you can see, there's so many different styles: organic, modern, traditional. You can even use drink tables like this. I love the size of these pieces. It's almost like adding a little touch of jewelry into your space. I love that drink tables don't take up a lot of space, so they really create this airy feeling in your space while still giving you that functionality. Okay, now I've never seen these here before, but they are pretty interesting. These are headboard pillows, and I have a feeling these are in stores right now for dorm rooms to really give you that headboard look, but for only $50. I don't think these have to be exclusively for dorm rooms. I think if you have an existing simple bed frame with no headboard, you can get a piece like this, slide it in between your bed and the wall, and you have an instant headboard for $50. I think it's actually such a great idea to give you that budget-friendly solution to a designer look. Now the faux floral selection here is always quite large. It's usually the first thing you see when you walk in, and there's a ton of pieces in here that I would absolutely avoid. All of these pre-made arrangements I would steer away from and look through the floral stems instead. These can be added to any large vessel or vase in your home, and it gives you so much more flexibility. I have found some of my favorite faux floral stems from here that give you this really soft, whimsical look. These ones in my sunroom are from HomeGoods. I always get questions from you guys about it, so check out the stems before you go looking for a full arrangement. Now there's always a great selection of large floor mirrors here at HomeGoods, but size really does matter when it comes to creating that designer look. Floor mirrors should always be pretty substantial, so go for the larger size in width. Something that's 36 to 40 inches at least is going to give you that designer look. I find all of the skinnier ones that are about 19, 20 inches wide just kind of give off this dorm room effect. So look for those larger frames for a designer look. Now, a kitchen styling hack is to skip the utensil holder, this full section here at HomeGoods, and actually find a vessel or vase that gives you more of a decorative look, but is the same height and width as a utensil holder. This is a great alternative because it serves the same function, but gives you more of a decorative look. There's way more options when it comes to vases here, so check out the vases before you go for the utensil holder. You can't go wrong with any of the little wood decorative bowls and coasters here. That's a great way to add warmth and a touch of mixed wood into your home. If you want to introduce darker wood tones or shelf styling, check out all of the wood bowls here. They are the perfect decor piece. This is a great place to look for funky or unique lighting. I would stay away from any of the lamps that look like they have a theme to them and go for a lamp that has more of a style. They also have a ton of lamp shade options. If you're looking for something a little bit more graphic and colorful or has a unique shape, this is a great place to look because you can just get a lampshade instead of replacing your entire lamp. Use your existing lamp base and put one of these new lampshades on for a brand new look. Now, the bathroom accessory aisle is usually very popular. I know a lot of people come here to look for new soap dispensers to style their bathroom. I would probably stay away from, again, a lot of those themed dispensers. They're not going to give you the longevity you might want. If you want to go for a high-end look for natural materials like the marble and stone dispensers. These have such a great weight to them. They give you a really subtle look and texture. Also avoid the ones that are printed marble. Those are really lightweight, and that's how you can tell they're fake. When I'm looking through the decorative accent section, I stay away from any of these faux gold pieces, anything too flashy, and anything that's kind of a manufactured shape. Go for something that looks more natural. A lot of these straight edge kind of modern mixed pieces look a bit odd, and I think going for these natural textures and shapes is what's going to give you a more high-end look on a budget. So it's really easy to pick through this area and find those pieces that look weathered and they look like something you'd find in an antique store. Now, when I want to get organized, this is always one of the first places I check out because there is so many different organizers, bins, and baskets. But again, if you're going for style, avoid the plastic woven baskets and go for the real baskets, the ones that are textured, warm, and really have that beautiful natural texture. It's going to give you a designer look. It's going to give you warmth in your home. It's going to organize you the same way. And I just love the way they look in all areas of the house. There's even so many beautiful woven decorative pieces here that really add that gorgeous texture to your home. They're timeless, they can keep you organized, but they also are super stylish. Ooh, this is a great accent chair. It's traditional, it's modern, it feels timeless, but also funky. And same with these side chairs. They would make for a really cute dining chair. I think an easy way to upgrade the feeling and the experience of your home is look for matching glassware sets. Not sets like this that have a different pattern on every glass. Look for sets that have one solid look, either fluting or a really thin, gorgeous glass like this, a really beautiful shape like this. That little detail is going to elevate your home. Now, another kitchen essential piece is a tea towel, and you can really make a mistake with this tea towel by going for these printed, vibrant tea towels. These are going to become an eyesore in your kitchen if they really aren't working in with the aesthetic of your existing space. Go for a solid towel or a tea towel that mixes in a pattern into its material that's really woven in. That's going to give you that quality look and a designer feel. So go for tea towels that really work with your kitchen design instead of being a little too loud for the space. I know the candle section here is very popular, but I actually like looking at the candlestick holders here. They are just such a classic decor piece, and also looking for tapered candlesticks. They definitely give you more of an elegant feel as opposed to those straight candlesticks, so opt for these whenever you can.
Alright, so that's it for today's shopping. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on items that you should look for next time you're at HomeGoods. Let me know down below in the comments what your best find from HomeGoods has been. Was it an organization piece? Was it a decor piece? Or a really great furniture find? And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!